My first time hosting a brunch, I had no idea what to make. But then I got some good ideas on the internet and I thought to share with you guys. Welcome to my channel, to the newcomers, and welcome again to the returning subscribers. Okay, I will just start right away. I will first start explaining the meaning of brunch and why should you host a brunch. Next time you get together with friends for a wedding shower, baby shower, neighborhood, like get to know each other event, church gathering, or any other celebration, try hosting a brunch party. Okay, why should you host a brunch party? First of all, I think it saves money and time. It saves money because you make very small varieties of food that doesn't cost so much. And it saves time because it's also easy to make. So I will come with some different types of food that you can make in a brunch party, and also you can see how I make my brunch party meal. So it looks really easy. It's very easy to make. And another thing that you should host a brunch party is just it goes together with stories and cheering. I mean, it should be sociable and cheerful. So I'll just give you some tips to a successful brunch. The first one is consider buffet. You know, a buffet will keep you from jumping up and waiting on people like you would at a more formal dinner party. You can relax and enjoy having great conversation with your guests. So also guests can get to choose what they want, you know. So I think buffet works much better in a brunch. Another thing is consider time, because brunch is hosted during the day. So you maybe need to give information to your guests a bit earlier. So I can say that there are no hard rules for inviting people to a brunch. It's always best to give the guests enough time to add the party to their schedule, you know. So if you can invite them a couple of weeks before the event. And then also consider the type of food you will make. So try to offer a variety of food and give your guests plenty of choices. So if you know that someone has an allergy or food issue, make sure that you have enough options that are free from the allergies. The foods that are most common to serve is, for example, you can serve egg dishes that don't require last-minute preparation, and you can also have the colorful fruit tray to add the visual interest to the table. It also looks really nice. So about drinks, offer a variety of drinks. So if you choose to serve alcohol, have also some non-alcoholic options such as orange juice or tomato juice available. You also want to serve coffee and tea, that's important. And some favorite brunch cocktails like mimosa, screwdrivers, Bloody Marys, Greyhounds, and Irish coffees. It's nice also to offer virgin version of these drinks as well. So when I say virgin version, it means drinks without alcohol. So these are called virgin because they never have anything hard in them. Okay, I also have some brunch themes ideas to make your brunch much more fun. There's garden party. You can bring the outdoor inside, or you have the party outdoors if the weather permits. So you can have potted plants, herbs or flowers, decorations, and you can also send them home with the guests. There's also muffin tin brunch as a theme. All of the menu items can be cooked in muffin tins or served in muffin cups. And there's also pajama brunch party. You have everyone wear their cutest pajamas and fuzzy slippers, serve traditional breakfast foods such as bacon, eggs, and toast or biscuits. There's also coffee and donut bar. So you serve a variety of coffee and donuts, and make sure you also have some nutritious options like fruits and vegetables. And there's also fondue brunch. This one you have some variety of fondue items with pots of melted chocolate, cheese, and oil. So you serve fruits and cubes of cake with the chocolate. You can also offer bread cubes, meats, and veggies with cheese or oil. So the last one is international brunch party, which you can serve eggs with salsa, you can serve sushi, quiche, egg rolls, and guacamole with chips. So if you want to know more about kinds of food you can make for brunch, go check on the link I put in the description. It's just a nice link with so much varieties of brunch ideas. So the video is from my brunch preparation that went very well and fast. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I remind you to subscribe if you haven't, and see you next time. Bye.